In this chapter, sage Ashtavakra elucidates the enlightened life and wisdom of a self-realized sage, summarizing the core teachings previously discussed. Sage Ashtavakra said, having known with certitude that the self is Brahman, and the existence and non-existence are mere imaginations, what can one, who is desireless, know, say or do? Such thoughts as, this is that, I am that, and I am not this are extinguished for the yogin who has become quiet, knowing with certitude that everything is self only. Now, let us embark on a journey together to understand and experience this verse with the help of a story first. In a quaint village nestled between mountains and forests, there was a renowned puppeteer, Alaric. He was known to share profound truths through his puppet shows. As the curtains rose, Alaric began, "Tonight, we delve deep into the dance of existence and non-existence." The puppet danced gracefully, portraying the balance between various dualities. Drawing from the teachings of a philosopher, he mentioned, "Wisdom is knowing I am nothing. Love is knowing I am everything, and between the two my life moves." The stage transformed, showing a ghostly figure beside a post. Alaric narrated, "Often, our fears and illusions cloud our vision." Reflecting on Alan Watts' perspective, he shared, "The meaning of life is just to be alive. It is so plain and so obvious and so simple. And yet, everybody rushes around in a great panic as if it were necessary to achieve something beyond themselves." The puppet now sat in quiet contemplation, with no strings attached. In understanding the self, Alaric whispered, "Desires lose their grip." Quoting the sage Ramana Maharshi, he said, "Your own self-realization is the greatest service you can render the world." The stage filled with swirling thoughts, representing mental disturbances. As they settled, tranquility prevailed. Echoing Adyashanti's teachings, Alaric intoned, "Enlightenment is a destructive process. It has nothing to do with becoming better or being happier. It's the crumbling away of untruth." As the performance neared its end, the puppet merged with its surroundings, illustrating the non-dualistic belief of everything being the self. Alaric concluded by referencing Rupert Spira, "The knowledge, I am, is the sacred, eternal presence. It is the light that illumines the world." Now let us move on to a simple meditation practice based on this story. Choose a quiet space to sit comfortably. Close your eyes and contemplate on the idea that your true nature is not the body or the mind but the universal consciousness. Begin by feeling the weight of your body, grounding you in the present. Reflect on the dance of existence, the balance between dualities. Like a puppet on a stage, find harmony in the dance of opposites. Visualize a ghostly illusion beside a firm post, representing our fears and distractions. Acknowledge these illusions, and let clarity shine through, seeing things for what they truly are. Dive deeper, exploring your inner realm. Detach from desires, realizing the profound depth of the self, boundless and infinite. Feel the whirlwind of your thoughts, the mental constructs that often bind us. Let them gently settle, dissolving into the vast ocean of tranquility, revealing the truth. Conclude by sensing the interconnectedness of everything. Like a puppet merging with the stage, feel the oneness, the unity of being that connects all. Assert. Existence and non-existence are mere imaginations. Remember, truth dispels all illusions. Acknowledge, liberation lies beyond the mind. Realize, mental constructs cease in the true self. Repeat, I am the self, and I am the all. Take a few moments to bask in this newfound understanding and peace. You may like to repeat these meditation steps for 2 or 3 times more. Remember message of sage Ashtavakra in Vedanta. The mind projects dualities, joy and sorrow, right and wrong, existence and non-existence, onto the serene canvas of the self. The awakened soul transcends these mental illusions, remaining undisturbed by their play. Concepts of doership and enjoyership dissolve. Individuality fades. The mind stills, and the very notion of identifying with body, mind, or intellect becomes a fleeting disturbance. A realized being directly experiences the unchanging, eternal self, recognizing that all is the self. As you open your eyes, you feel a connection with your true nature, filled with serenity and wisdom. Summary chart on screen represents key teachings you just have grasped during your journey in this meditation. The teachings about journey of self-discovery continue to resonate within you, guiding you on your spiritual journey, till we move on to next verse. To stay updated with our latest videos and receive timely notifications, please subscribe to our channel and activate notifications by the bell button.